This vehicle's the Chausson 724 motorhome. It will cost €71,000 and it's 729 centimeters in length. It has 5 sleeping places. Right, so elegant, large, light. That's the words I've got in my head right now. The rear area here, sort of a kitchen in the midships, and coming to the back we've got this large double bed with which can go up, can move, and giving us even more space for the vehicle. How am I going to show you this one by myself here? Maybe I could move this over like that. I'll try. We've got this, which will go under like that. Sorry, I'm trying to do this. I'm not going to force it, but that will go under, giving you this extra space here as well. I'm going to leave this one here the right way up, because whoever did it last left it the wrong way up. We've also got space here for something, can't remember what that's there for. But notice below all the storage. Here we have the shower, 2 drainage points, a roof light above. The other side we've got the toilet, and we can close the whole thing off via this door here. Inside, okay, 2 burners here, kitchen there, storage under the kitchen, including this elegant it's not including these shelves. So I thought it was a pull-out thing in there. And I'm getting confused. I'm obviously too tired to continue doing this. This is a fridge, and I remember that, and this thing is the freezer. I remember that. Television goes up here where the pasta is, and it's designed to slide out. We've got the electrical connections are there for the television, and here we've got more storage. This will come down electronically if we have a fuse in it, and we can also make an extra bed down there. I'm not going to try and move the bed down. So we've got some positions. It says it can only go though in 2, this position there high up, or this one there, but it won't allow it in that position, sort of halfway between. What it'll do is you press the button, it'll go automatically to the position you can actually use it in. Well, if you want a lounge on wheels, this could be for you. Huge amount of space in here, in my opinion. Let's have a look outside. So in there, got all this space as well. Let's take it round the other side. Have a look. There you go. There's this Chausson, my Chausson, it says. And this is a rather large Chausson. Well, it's 719 centimeters. By Chausson standards, it's rather large. Okay, thanks for watching, and all the best from me in Dusseldorf.